CATIA V5, so within the current cavity workbench, we have the possibility over here to display surface boundaries. So the option will be available over here. It will be the first one, so display surface boundaries. As you can see, this will only have one check. We can either have it enabled or disabled. And you're going to see that that boundary will have the following visual appearance over here. So it will be with green, similar with the one within Generative shape design, where we can extract boundaries, but keep in mind that this will no longer be present over here within the product tree. So I have the part over here, which is a simple pad that has been drafted and with some edge fillet and a shell. We have the core and the cavity surface. So again, this is just for analyzing. You can quickly see the boundaries, but you can't work with those. If you want to work with that boundary, you will need to jump within shape, generative shape design. You will have to extract that using the boundary tool. So I can select that. This will have the same appearance with green. As you can see, the line is a little bit thicker, but now that will actually be extracted over here as a boundary. And you can go ahead and we can start working with that. So we can add additional extrusion. You can use that as a pad and so on. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.